Hello guys, we're back with another Mortal Kombat video, and today, here's my brother. He will tell what is happening today.
Hello guys, today we are gonna play MK Mobile, but I'm gonna swap every character while he's playing. Means he can swap. While he's playing, only I can swap, random swapping. So I'm trying to get him lose in these three battles. Okay.
Understand? What? Understand, guys? Understand? Okay. I'm gonna play 3 battles, and let's see if I can win all of them. Because my smoke is so leveled up. It's level up to 30, level 33. And I'm stuck in Sorcerer's Tower battle 29, 24, I mean. Yeah. I'm stuck in that battle. Okay, one sec. Wow! We got a diamond even back there, dude. What is this? What is this thing? Wow! Oh god. Am I gonna die? Seriously? I'm the first battle I'm gonna die. That's insane. That's insane. Oh god. Yep. God. And everyone back? He's gonna just wreck me out. I'm not gonna put it on auto though. Because it's gonna fail. I'm not gonna. Wow, he has so much power with generation. Please, cripple me.
I'm gonna swap now.
Ah! Oh, Mount my jacks though. Oh, actually good. Wow. He has smoke and a diamond everywhere back. I'm dead. I'm done, dude. I'm done. I'm just done. I'm telling you. Thanks. Thanks for taking my cold card. I will break the smoke now. Okay, good for me. Oh, not my Jax. Okay, great. Actually, my Jax is doing damage to this guy. Oh my. You can dance my Jax again. Oh, correct. Wow. Good work, Scorpion. He's gonna do some damage. Oh, God. Ah, God. He's doing so much damage. With that. Oh, God. We stun him. Yes, he's done. Oh, no. I'm gonna go to be done this time. Come on, do some damage. Do some decent damage. Yeah. Go. Come on. You. I'm dead. Real. I'm just. What the? Wow. This team is real strong.
I swapped him so many times that he almost lost.
Come on. I can't do this. Yeah, kill my can't. What is that dinosaur? What is that team?
First team lost in 3 times.
I don't want this guy. I'm just gonna play 2 battles. That's it. Oh god! What is happening? I'm in mad rage right now. I never raged in Mortal Kombat right now. The first time I'm raging. I'm raging. Insane, right? Good. Yeah. I'm gonna get red. Come on, smoke. I believe in you, boy. You got the chill. Oh god. No. Oh god! Why is this? Actually, he's doing damage. Wait, I didn't see that hell though. Oh,
I think I need to switch one more time.
No, god! Come do some damage. Damage. Did you switch? Nope. Yep. Ah! That was the worst switch I could possibly have. What is flesh? Ah, god, I'm dead. Come on, this one damage at least. Let's switch my Daxel. I want to show him. Great. What is that? Yeah, blood breaker. Do that. Yes. Do some damage to Raiden too. Yes, he did 232 damage. Not my cool gun though, because actually, it's great. It's gonna kill him. No, first two. Why do you want to switch to my Jackson boy? Wow. Why do I want to switch to my Jaxie? I want to switch to my smoke. Yes. And switch to my smoke. Yes. I did a lot of damage. Yes. Kill this. And thanks for switching to that guy. Especially when it's ready, so he's going to destroy us.
What? I don't know that is gonna happen. I thought Kolgan is gonna die to him.
You thought Coco is going to die.
Okay,
I have a lot of help here, dude.
okay, this is the last battle. Third one is the last. I think I need to do 4 battles. So 2 battles over and 2 more to go.
And I'm going to farm for season rewards. And then in the next video, I think I'm going to get season ending of season rewards, and I'm going to get some juicy rewards, I guess. I'm not know if I can get even to combat 1. Because I'm a new player to this game. And I only been in 6 days for playing this game, and I almost smoked the other 2, that's his thing. And I have insane gear on the smoke, so it's just, yeah. It's broken gear. Oh no, I got attacked! And this is my real, bruh. Nope. Come on. You can do this, Jackson. I'm believing you. You switch or what? Yeah, why is my bus switching too quick? That's too quick, bruh. Thanks. Oh, come on. Oh, no, don't listen to that. Ah! This guy has this rage. Ah! Yes, that's great. I get 5% more regeneration for my gold gun. That's great.
What I thought Kolgan is gonna die to Thunder Ring. That's it. I'm switching too quick.
What? I'm just gonna do some damage and he's gonna kill my guy for sure. He has insane damage. Yes, 7,002 damage. So I'm gonna die. I'm gonna do last of the damage. Come on, you can do this. Come on. You can do this. Come on. You can do a lot of damage. Okay, thanks for my goal.
What? No.
So weak. You can die easy. But my gold gun is gonna get rid. Or not. Or not. Or not. Get wrecked, Anzo Hashashi. You're dead, my friend, now. Wow.
Yeah, she do special one to this area. Not in block though. Wow. That did so much damage there.
Yes, you can do this. I did it with my jack. I didn't use my smoke. I was finished it with my 2 characters. Not even with my main character. You didn't do anything. Yeah. So freaking jokes. My brother switched it, but when I needed it, he wanted to switch to that character.
No, I thought he was gonna die to this thing.
You tried your best, bro.
Okay, this is the last battle I'm gonna.
And this is the full silver team. This is gonna be easy.
That's why I'm gonna switch every second.
Ah! Why do I switch every second? Dude!
But not the smoke actually.
Oh god, I'm dead. You don't want to switch to my smoke, real? For real? Why did you switch to my guys? And he's gonna get freaking bridge. But my smoke is still alive. That's great. That's great for random slapping. Oh, thanks for my gold gun. He's so.
No! Just rush him. Go ahead and grab this. Cause we can.
Gold gun is so strong. That building is so strong. How could it?
I'm gonna switch.
No, boy. He has drop breaker gear. So he's gonna wreck. And he has stand resistance. This special too. No? Not even gonna special too? Then get freaking wrecked, boy. Oh, this is my gold gun, thanks. Come on, do some damage! Yes, 100%. Okay, it's gonna jerk me off. Oh, come on.
No, I'm not gonna switch anymore because next stat is only smoke. So, yes, he died, yay.
But I'm gonna kill the scorpion. Yes! Two!
Yes, there is a 50-50% chance to win a do. Oh, there is only a silver tonic is special too.
That's not much. Because he's the least power character. See? And
No,
don't it.
don't underestimate the power of Johnny Cage.
I will underestimate it because he's also.
No, there is also Diamond.
Yeah, that's why. But he's also and fun! Yes!
Okay, bye, and please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy.
I need to say that. And bruh. Okay. Goodbye, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Because I was so freaking mad rage. Goodbye.